How to delete a second Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the section Account Center. Now here you're going to find the fun option. At the very top, you're going to find the option of profiles. Clicking on that. In this page, you're going to find the Instagram accounts that are connected to each other. Now head back. Click on the option Personal Details. Click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the Instagram account that you want to delete. Now select the option of Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. Click on Continue. Now provide a reason why do you want to delete your account and then click on Continue. Click on Continue again. For the security purpose, you will be prompted to enter the password. After you type in, click on Continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. Click on Delete Account. And just with that, your account will schedule for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. During 30 days of period, you can provide your credentials and log into the account or reactivate it. So this way you are able to delete second account on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.